Hello again, I'm Jack Clay from the Law Office of Jack Clay. You know, a lot of people are frustrated when they get in a car accident and they have property damage. And what do I mean by property damage? Well, property damage is simply the damage to your vehicle or to stuff in your vehicle that results in your vehicle either needing to be replaced on one hand or repaired on the second hand. Before I get into the tips about handling your property damage claim if you do not have a serious injury involved, I'd like to talk to you about a recent situation that happened when a client called us who really needed some practical advice. This gentleman was pushing his car on the side of the road and he was well off the road. He wasn't anywhere in the middle, but he was well off the road. And a car came by, went off the road and hit him and totaled out his vehicle, and he didn't know what to do because the insurance company told him that they couldn't help him, that he was responsible for his own damage. And the advice that I'll give this gentleman, that I'll give you and everybody else who asks, is the same. These tips should help you should you be involved in an automobile accident, you're not injured, and you want your property damage repaired. The first thing that I tell people in assessing a property damage only case is attorneys like myself generally handle the personal injury portion of the claim because, in a very practical sense, they can charge a fee based on a percentage of the recovery. It just doesn't make sense sometimes to pay a lawyer thousands of dollars to get your car fixed or thousands of dollars to get your car repaired when you can handle the situation yourself. The real fight in these cases from insurance companies is usually happens when we get injuries involved, which I can talk more about in a future session. Second, we have a wonderful magistrate court system in Douglas County and throughout Georgia, which allows you or anybody else to sue somebody and get money repaid for damages to your car. Now, this usually happens by going to the courthouse, paying your filing fee, and having the defendant served. I want to be careful, and I want to tell you that you should always consult with an attorney, as this procedure can be tricky. But in Georgia, I advise clients regularly to go to magistrate court where they can file their own cases. But again, a little legal advice beforehand by calling an attorney would be best. Finally, if you or a loved one is injured and you have property damage, you should call an attorney, such as my office or another local reputable attorney, for help. We're here to help people generally who have personal injuries arising from an automobile accident or other type of case. You don't have to go it alone. If you or a loved one has been injured and you need a reputable and established attorney to help you, we are here to help you. You can call us or go to our website at www.jackclay.com. Thank you.